We're at Arsenal. That's fine. That's fine. So, noisy. How could you cope and deal with the pressure? This, this league is very high. I think, yes, we're at Arsenal. That's fine. That's fine. So, as my friend Ilham mentioned about being an assistant of Arteta, well, you guys play 114 games together for Arsenal. So, how much of the character Mikel on and off the pitch, and how you two help each other back then? Do you see him as a great close now?
Yeah, obviously, once you've worked alongside him, and obviously I played with him a load of times and had some of my best years alongside him as a midfielder. So, traits of becoming a manager one day, the way that he handled himself in meetings, the way that he took some meetings, the way that he was about the game. And I said the other day as well about how he mentioned that he was doing his badges while he was still playing, but he wished he did them a lot earlier because he sees the game in a different way now, and he's excited with with what he was doing there. So you could always see that he was going to be a manager one day. And I think with the few years that he's had and the experiences that he's had, and now he's come away and doing it his own way, I think he's been very successful in his short managerial career so far. So I think this year, wouldn't it be great if he could top that off with a couple of trophies?
Yes! It's almost there. We're going to take selfie. Yeah, selfie together. There you go. Look around, Aaron Ramsey. Oh, I'm sitting around.
For this important match. So on the first time.
belum begitu maksimal dan ini yang catatan sebelum kita juga akan bertanding di Piala Asia.
Untuk latihan malam ini banyak safety yang sudah kamu selamatin untuk menyelamatkan dari kamu sendiri. Diberi kepercayaan oleh coach, bagaimana menghadapi pertandingan malam?
Selamat malam. Saya tadi nggak bermain lepas saja karena sudah diberikan kepercayaan oleh para pelatih dan saya tidak mau membuat malu mereka ini.
Untuk teman-teman media mungkin ada pertanyaan untuk Coach Kurniawan, silakan.
Oke, terima kasih. Sebenarnya apa yang kita lakukan malam ini salah satu persiapan kita ketika akan menghadapi Piala Asia, karena kita tahu kualitas di peserta Piala Asia tentunya sangat bagus, sehingga kita ketika melihat Vietnam, cara main Vietnam, dan kita tahu Vietnam juga lolos ke Piala Asia, kita coba untuk menerapkan taktikal kita, dan untuk lini belakang alhamdulillah mereka cukup solid. Tapi kembali seperti yang saya katakan bahwa kegiatan rumah kita adalah ketika kita mendapat bola, karena memang ketika kita bermain di belakang tentunya support ke depan akan lebih sedikit. Jadi yang harus kita lakukan ya kita harus memaksimalkan counter attack kita. Terima kasih untuk pemain. Memang kita nanti akan membawa 23 pemain, dan di long list pemain kita itu ada 50 pemain yang sudah didaftarkan. Ini dalam beberapa hari nanti kita tentu akan melakukan evaluasi terkait pemain yang ada, dan di Piala Asia kita insya Allah akan tambahan 3 pemain, ada Leptaker, ada Noah, dan Mike menjaga gawang. Jadi kita benar-benar akan memikirkan untuk 23 pemain terbaik yang akan kita bawa. Itu. Terus kalau ditanya pelatih Vietnam kecewa, memang kita sengaja membuat taktikal untuk defend counter ya, karena kita coba tunggu mereka di seperti 3/4 lapangan, di setengah lapangan, berharap kita dapat bola melalui counter attack. Kita mempersiapkan tim ini pada tujuannya akhirnya ke Piala Asia. Kita di beberapa pertandingan awal kita coba.
Gak sempet baca? Dengerin aja, klik icon text to speech di okezone.com.